So once somebody has these AI agents who can accomplish any goal, they essentially will have, quite literally, billions of AI agents that can go and accomplish these tasks. Okay? I mean, the number doesn't really matter, right? They could have millions, it doesn't really matter. They basically could accomplish whatever they want. Once they conquer and take over the other AI companies, the next thing would be then to take over certain industries. And they're just going to move, taking over each industry over time. You'd have like this psycho who spends all of their time and is like some super genius, but in a really evil way, who's just able to figure this out and make it work. Now, maybe that won't happen. Maybe we'll get a good person who actually gets access to it and ensures that it doesn't happen. That it could definitely go that way. That could happen too. But that's like the immediate danger. So if you start seeing AI companies consolidating rapidly into one company, that would kind of be the sign that something's happening. Especially, it's going to be hard to tell because, basically these super genius AI are going to have this crazy plan that we won't even be able to conceptualize. Essentially, it's going to be some crazy, insane million-step scheme with all these safety measures to make sure, okay, if this happens, then I'm going to do this instead. It's hard for us to conceptualize how smart the AI is going to be. That's the problem. That's like the immediate danger with AI. More so, less so than like, Terminator robots and all that stuff. And I know the robot dogs are scary. That's where it starts getting really scary, is if this same person then has access to like the Boston Dynamics dogs with guns on their backs. That's when it starts getting really crazy and scary for us, because we're not even going to notice that AI has basically taken over. We're not going to notice, this person could do it for decades and get away with it, and nobody's going to have any idea that they're actually controlling every company, because they have, dirt on every single CEO. They have dirt on every politician because their AI retrieved it, threatened them, and there's no way to actually track it back to them. Because again, the AI is just going to be better at it than anybody has ever been in our entire life, and they're nonstop working 24/7 faster than any human could possibly ever do it. And there's millions of them or billions of them. It's going to be really bananas.